Hello students. Today I am going to explain you the chapter number 11, pressure. So what is pressure? What do you learn in this chapter at first? What is pressure? So you are thinking the pressure that we are getting on studies, that is pressure. No, that is not pressure. That is a mental pressure. The physical pressure, I am talking about the physical pressure. In this chapter we will learn about pressure and the unit of pressure. You will learn about the pressure in liquid, pressure in gaseous. You will understand how the atmospheric pressure is measured. We will learn depending or depends on whatever the things will come. We will learn on this. Now, for the first, pressure depends on force and area. You are seeing on the picture, that is pressure depends on the force and area. Now I will explain you regarding this. Now, pressure is what? Pressure describes how force is spread over an area. Pressure describes you about the force that is acting over an area. Pressure is defined as the force per unit area. That is how much force you are using on a particular area. If you are pressing, you are seeing in the picture, you are seeing the picture that particular force I am in the picture you are seeing that the finger is pressing on the hand, that it is applying some force on a particular area, that is known as pressure. The application of force on a particular area is known as pressure. It is usually more convenient to use pressure rather than force to describe the influence upon fluid behavior. So when I will explain you about the fluid, I will explain you more conveniently. The standard unit of pressure is Pascal. What is the unit of pressure? The standard unit of pressure is Pascal. It is in honor of the French physicist named as Blaise Pascal. In the name of Blaise Pascal, this is given that the standard unit of pressure is Pascal. The pressure is measured in Pascal. It is given on the name of Blaise Pascal, a French physicist. The unit of pressure is denoted by PA, capital P, small a, and is equal to Newton per square meter. For an object which you put on a surface, the force pressuring on the surface is the weight of the object, but in different orientation, it might have different area of contact with the surface and therefore exert a different pressure. The thrust acting per unit area is known as pressure. The pressure is what? It is the force per unit area. Whatever the pressure you will exert on particular area, that is known as pressure. The force that is applied on a particular area is known as pressure. It is measured on how much force is acting on a certain area. It is measured on how much force that is acting on a certain area. Now, pressure. When a cat lie down on your lap, the force of the cat's weight is spread over a large area on your lap. If the cat stand up, all of the force from the cat weight is concerned into its paws. So when the cat is lying on your hand, for example, you see on the picture, when the cat is lying on your hand, then its entire body is on your lap, then you will the weight is spread on the entire body. But when it will stand on its four paws, then this force is concentrated into these four paws. Then increasing pressure, you can increase pressure in two ways. Increase pressure, how you can increase pressure? You can increase pressure in two ways. That is, I will explain in the upcoming part. And decrease the area of force. First, how you can increase? You just think, for example, how you can increase the force. If you decrease the area, if you decrease the area, or what you will do, force, that is in the formula we have seen, pressure equal to force by area. That is, if you increase the force, then what will happen? Pressure will increase, and if you decrease the area, then the force will decrease, then the pressure will decrease. The pressure can be increased in two ways. One is increasing the force, another is decreasing the area of the force. If you decrease the area of the force, then the pressure will increase. That the formula is this: pressure equal to force per unit area. Pressure equal to force per unit area. You can write pressure equal to F by A.